Welcome back to Everyday Hacks. Today we're diving into some awesome time-saving household hacks that'll make your day a lot smoother. Whether you're dealing with kitchen chaos, laundry overload, or clutter, these tips are here to help you get things done faster so you can enjoy more time doing what you love. Let's start in the kitchen where time seems to slip away the quickest. If you prep your veggies in bulk and store them in airtight containers, you'll shave off minutes every time you cook. It's like fast-forwarding your cooking process. Make your morning smoother with freezer smoothie packs. Pre-portion fruits and veggies in bags, freeze them, and when it's time for breakfast, just toss them in the blender. Get dinner done while you sleep. Start a slow cooker meal at night and wake up to a fully cooked dinner that just needs reheating. Keep a spray bottle of vinegar and a jar of baking soda handy. For tough kitchen messes, sprinkle baking soda, spray vinegar, let it fizz, and wipe clean. Labeling your pantry containers means no more hunting for ingredients, and it helps keep things organized without much effort. Next up is laundry, an area that can eat up way too much time. Here are a few hacks to streamline it. Save sorting time by using a multi-bin laundry sorter. Just toss items into the correct bin, and they're ready to wash without sorting. Add wool dryer balls to your load. They'll help clothes dry faster and reduce wrinkles. To speed up drying for single items, roll a wet piece of clothing in a dry towel, wring it out, then hang it up. You'll reduce drying time by a lot. Setting specific laundry days helps keep things under control and prevents the need for last-minute washes. Try folding clothes in a way that saves space and makes everything visible. Less time searching means more time for you. And finally, let's talk about cleaning hacks to make your life easier. Set a timer, tidy a room, and you'll be surprised how much you can get done. To dust blinds fast, put an old sock on your hand and swipe across. It's easy, and you can wash the sock when you're done. It's natural, smells great, and you can use it all around the house. Give it a quick wipe down while you're in there and your shower stays clean with minimal effort. This way dust won't fly everywhere and it's super easy to wash. And that's a wrap on today's time-saving hacks. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Everyday Hacks, and hit the bell for more practical tips. Drop a comment with your favorite hack or share one of your own. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.